Chicago's broke, out of money. To get cash in the system, get this. Mayor Daley wants to impose a $15 fine on all these gang-banging, drug-dealing high school dropouts if they get caught in their campus. Can you believe that? 15 bucks! What I want to know is how the city's going to make change when all these $100 bills start rolling in. That's not a good way to get cash into a system. They want to bring riverboat gambling to Chicago, but everyone's afraid it'll bring in the mob. Like they don't have their own zip code, for Christ's sake, you know? And if you've never been riverboat gambling, let me tell you something right now. It is evil and not a short-term financial solution. I'm in Davenport, Iowa, on the boat at the roulette table, watching the ball go around and around and around the roulette table, and out of nowhere, they kicked me off the boat for improving the odds. Yeah, I mean, how did I know that the jawbreaker was going to fly out of my mouth, right? 16 red, 22 black, winner!